Have you ever wondered how a plumbing contractor replaces damaged sewer line without tearing up your yard? Let me tell you about trenchless sewer line replacement. With the old traditional method, you dig a long trench, going through the yard or driveway, even through sidewalks to get the job done. Trenchless technology avoids all that, using a much cleaner, more efficient method to get the same result. With this technique, we use specialized equipment to replace the underground water pipe with minimal digging, also known as pipe bursting or no dig. It's the technique where new sewer pipe is pulled through the old one, breaking it apart as it goes. This method is faster, less disruptive, and often more cost-effective than traditional sewer line replacement. Trenchless sewer line replacement fixes damaged sewer line without destroying your property. It's efficient, landscape-friendly, and avoids the mess. Next time you hear trenchless, think smart, clean, and modern. For cleaner, faster sewer repair, call Pioneer Plumbing and Heating today at 604-872-4946 or visit www.pioneerplumbing.com.